Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about a topic that's been gaining popularity in recent years, passive income. In this video, we'll discuss what passive income is, why it's important, and how you can earn money while you sleep in 2023. What is passive income? Passive income is income earned without active involvement or effort. It's money that comes in without you having to trade your time for it. The most common sources of passive income include rental income, dividend income, and capital gains. However, with the advancement of technology, there are now various other ways to earn passive income, such as through online businesses, affiliate marketing, and digital products. Why is passive income important? Passive income is important because it can provide you with financial security and freedom. With passive income, you're not reliant on a regular 9-to-5 job or a single source of income. You have the flexibility to work on your own terms, pursue your passions, and have more time for the things you love. How to earn passive income in 2023. 1. Start a blog or a YouTube channel. Blogging and YouTube are great platforms to earn passive income in 2023. You can monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. However, it's important to note that building a successful blog or YouTube channel takes time and effort. You need to consistently create high-quality content and build a community around your brand to attract advertisers and sponsors. 2. Create digital products. Another great way to earn passive income in 2023 is by creating digital products such as ebooks, courses, and printables. Once you've created your product, you can sell it on platforms like Amazon, Udemy, and Etsy. You can also use your blog or YouTube channel to promote your products and increase your sales. 3. Invest in real estate. Investing in real estate can be a great source of passive income in 2023. You can earn rental income by owning and renting out properties, or you can earn passive income through real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without actually owning any physical property. 4. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks can also be a great source of passive income in 2023. When you invest in stocks that pay dividends, you earn a portion of the company's profits without having to actively work for it. You can also reinvest your dividends to increase your passive income over time. 5. Start an online business. Starting an online business can be a lucrative way to earn passive income in 2023. You can sell physical products or offer services such as coaching or consulting. You can also use affiliate marketing to earn a commission by promoting other people's products on your website or social media channels. Conclusion. In conclusion, passive income is a great way to earn money while you sleep in 2023. There are various ways to earn passive income, including blogging, creating digital products, investing in real estate, investing in dividend-paying stocks, and starting an online business. However, it's important to remember that earning passive income takes time and effort. You need to be willing to put in the work upfront to build a sustainable source of passive income. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.